fire started.
Alright guys, we're here at the Rendezvous in night vision. And of course my battery's gonna die. So we have the OG from Freezer Bound Outdoors. And the opposite of him would be what? The G.O. G.O.Bushcraft is preparing his tinder pile. And we are going to have a race to start fire. Alright guys, we're about to start the fire making contest. We got the OG on the right and the G.O. on the left. On your mark, get set, go!
Who did it?
I don't know.
Well, I see him out of the fire
on
first.
camera.
Yeah, he got it first.
Yeah, he had it going.
He did?
Yeah.
Winner, G.O.Bushcraft! Although it was... Hey,
That's very impressive for both of you
yes,
guys.
very impressive
Very
for both
impressive.
of you. Good job, guys. So I got 2 more setups tonight, so we're going to let 2 more people go, and we'll see who it is. Sounds like Nicholas Green is going up on the challenge block here. We'll let him set it up, and then we'll start the camera again when they're set up. That's pretty cool though, guys. We got the kids over there. We got a little fire burning there. Turned out good, guys. Alright guys, on the right we got Joe from Freezer Bound Outdoors. On the left we got Nicholas Green. On the count of 3.
3, 2, 1, go!
Already done.
First to make fire wins.
Nick got it.
Nicholas!
Wow,
Wow.
That was one
This is
strike.
like your second strike, man.
Alright, so I made these kids do good, I think.
Nice. That was
Nice,
awesome.
nice job. Joe, nice.
Nice. Enthusiasm.
I wasn't far behind.
Don't touch your front of it. I told you it's hot. Then you are not obeying my law. Touch it. I dare you.
We got Joe's fire here.
Adam, touch the screen.
I think you were like one or 2 strikes right now. And then I saw
We got
yours
Bocce,
lit.
Gio. I play sport. Joe. The OG from Freezer Bound. We got Nick here. Here's Nick's fire. And we're adding some more to it. Hydrate.
I'm a fire starter.
Fire
You
starter.
get yours on your first strike.
Like you were already doing it. Oh, Bucky.
Oh,
Oh, it fell.
they each just had a good spark.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Are you kidding me?
There it went.
Dark
Boston
30 Outdoors, you
Belt.
had it, bud.
Fire.
You had it.
I made fire.
You made fire. You can make fire, Dad. You can make
Bocce, I saw what you did there.
Running out of
I was like, I can't do that anymore. I just went.
What was your team that beat?
He's spent.
Okay. So the first showdown goes to Bocce Outdoors.
Alright.
You know, but
Dark 30, I had the same problem, bud. I had the same problem.
Had it for a second.
Yeah,
Couldn't get it to go.
Every time I got it close, it shut down.
I think my big downfall was thinking I was going to do it quick, so I was just rapid fire, and I was like,
I'm right here.
I should have just been more deliberate about what I was doing.
Yeah.
You were throwing some serious. I couldn't get the sparks right.
All right, here we go. We got
Whoa!
Ashley facing off against Renee. Does somebody want to count them down?
I will.
All right, count from 3, 2, 1, say go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Good job, Ben.
Come on, mommy.
Come on, Ash. There it is.
Oh. You got it.
Yeah, buddy.
Victory.
Come on, Ash.
Really push down on
Girl.
Ashley, you're doing good.
I love getting it.
Well done.
You have a hard opponent.
It is. Not as easy as it looks. I lost it.
How do you feel to lose?
Drake, you don't ask that question. She's trying hard. She has an FBO sweatshirt on. You don't say that.
Ashley.
Try mine.
Good try, girls.
Yeah, try that
Try
one.
mine.
Yeah, try that one. Just watch.
Just remember, hold the knife still and pull the rod.
Yeah. Hold the knife still and pull the rod out.
I think I'm.
You're getting better sparks now.
Yeah, you are.
I can't believe that's not going.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Come on.
Can I help you?
No, I was.
Let me see the boxy striker.
Alright.
Try the secret.
I got more the first time than I did after. I couldn't get this one as much. Yeah, that one I could get.
Let's get that other fire going so the kids can see who can keep it going the longest.
Show you one of the tricks.
Okay.
What are you? What is JC?
No, Joe, we have a lot more muscle, right?
Do one of the tricks.
Then what were you?
Take your blade and lean it this way. Lean it back
I think I
forward
have an advantage.
when you're striking it like this.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah.
See, Joe told
Because
me
it
to go
cuts
the other
into
way.
the, it cuts,
Joe,
in,
I
it
feel
cuts
that
into
you
the.
personally had an
Feel like
advantage.
that
I
way
had
as well.
a failure. Good job. Good
It's
job.
better with a knife.
Good job. Touching you. See, Joe told me to go the other way.
You see, if I hold my knife this way,
Yeah, I felt better that way.
well, my tummy sparks.
Oh, Gio just got his hands on fire.
Joe didn't
Try
even
that way
phase
with
him.
that one then.
Get that lit, Gio.
There it is.
Get it lit, boys.
Come on. Okay, I'm going.
Let's go. Okay. We're on to the battle now for which kids can keep it going the longest.
Going the longest.
Hurry up, JC, it's gonna go out. See you at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Last night we had pretty big mother.
We did.
Good job, everybody.
Fun stuff.
Low battery.
Hand drill.
All right, guys. We just started a challenge with the kids. It's Aubrey and Drake have one light, and Drake and Clay and JC have the other light. Whoever can keep the fire going the longest wins.
No, I actually drink, dry, stick. Okay? Stick. Go. Pine needles are good. Pine needles are great.
Go, Drake. Run.
Well, yeah. Gotta have it. Yeah, you need sticks.
That's the thing. Don't let it die. Don't let it die. Yeah, you gotta get, and you gotta have it. Yeah. Certain wood, hard wood. It's very. You're trying to make. Yeah, you're trying to make ash. Pine needles would be good on those roads, so you want to medium. I found lightly low. Lightly. And if you can press your fingernail into the wood. Uh-oh.
Hope my battery don't go dead. How we looking, guys? How we looking?
I let mine die.
Uh-oh. Did Drake and Aubrey win?
Yeah. I see some. I see some.
Then you cut your triangle.
Oh, gee, who's the winner?
Well, I still see amber. Great. Go get some pine needles. Pine needles.
There's pines right on the end of that. Right on the end of that stick we had.
Yeah, put that in.
The fires are dying down. There's a couple embers left in each one, guys. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. We have more smoke coming out of the right-hand one. We have more smoke coming out of the right-hand one. There's coals in both of them. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What's the big flashlight?
Let's go take a closer look real quick. We got some embers there, guys. That's JC. He's keeping it alive. Let's see what's going on over here.
Yeah. Get some dry pine needles on that.
They still got stuff going over here. They're both going.
Get your face right in there, right next to it. Blow in it. Don't blow too hard. You don't want to blow oil all over the place. You just want to get it to where it starts cooking. Aubrey, get in. Aubrey, get your face in there and blow on it. So you see it nice and, yeah. Now you're working it. You don't want green stuff on it because it will not burn.
Drake, go get some dry stuff, Drake.
You want some dry stuff, dry twigs. Try to keep your embers going. Don't blow them out.